Hallo mense. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Ek beloof ek is nie ek het nie I ek het nie wingerdgriep nie. I don't have I don't have vineyard flu and ek het nie boom gerook nie. I was just cutting onions. One big onion as big as my face. Jy weet daai gesig hy, maar in elk geval the hamster is busy making us a potjie on the stove. Ja, in a swart pot. I will. In a swart pot, a plat boompot, because it's just too cold today. The sun is not shining bright enough today to do the potjie outside. So we're doing it in the black cast iron pot on the stove. And let me show you, we got some nice beerstart, oxtail. And this is what it looks like. So lekker potjie kos for today, on New Year's Day. This is us.
Hey, how's it going?
Because these do not come cheap.
No.
How much were they?
I think they were $17 each. So 34, about 34 bucks.
Anyway, they do not come cheap.
Yeah, $17.
Yeah, $17 a pack. And there was like, in the one there were 4 pieces, in the other there were 6 pieces. So that was nice. And we are having a lekker potjie today. So what are you doing today on your New Year's Day to celebrate the New Year?
Frying or just making food on the stove or in the oven.
Yeah, it's definitely the negative temperatures outside.
Oh, yeah.
And
it's full of frost on the trees. So
yeah, I'll show you.
It's pretty.
It looks real pretty outside. It's all frosty. And yeah, just enjoy your day. We want to wish you a happy new year. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, our goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please go and subscribe. This is the outside. And as you can see, all the tips of the trees are, they had some highlights done overnight. And the light is so bright outside. Talking about the trees getting highlights, it reminds me, do you know, there was a few years back in South Africa, I think I was like in 9th or 10th grade, all the boys wanted white tipped hair, like they frosted their hair with the highlighting kits. Now mentioning the white tipped trees made me think of that. Anyway, my eyes are burning from that onion. Heerlikheid mense, I am dying here. So, Happy New Year from the Funny Kerks, or in American, Van Nykerks. May your year be blessed. May it be full of good things. May your coffee stay warm. May goodness and mercy follow you. And happiness all the days of your life. Julle moet
Lekker.